Sing Sang Sai Sai Lay Ho. My name is Lovely Dominguez Ali, age 26. I'm from Difun, Quirino, Philippines. I'm married. I have one son, age 8 months old, and one daughter, age 3 years old. My highest educational attainment is college graduate. My hobbies are cooking, and I'm a pet lover. I have 2 dogs. My expertise are childcare. I work as housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years, from January 3, 2017 to January 3, 2020. I serve 1 couple and 2 children, aged 2 and 3 years old. My duties are taking care of the children, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, marketing, dishwashing, and gardening. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and to my children. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and a newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like, the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. To my future employer, Mom and Sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, obedient, and trustworthy. I promise to be a good housemaid and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.